So the Maverick begins the astronomical task this evening of trying to rekindle the hope and keep the dream alive that the Reggae Boyz can still qualify for the World Cup in Qatar. And they say a drowning man will clutch at a straw. And the first straw for the Maverick right now is mathematics. Yes. 6 games to play, a maximum 18 points. Simple maths. We need 20 points from the maximum 18. sorry. We need 16 from the 18 available to give us a chance of snatching that 4th place qualifying spot. And those 16 points must start with the 3 against Mexico in the very next game. If we don't get those 3 points, even the mathematics will struggle. The next thing we need is belief that we can beat Mexico and go on a winning run. Personally, I think we can. Mexico has not been the best team on the road. We should have gotten a point in the Azteca. And with the boys' steady improvement, refusing to lose in the last 4, we still have the quality and the experience to beat any team in this region. But every player, every fan, and every member of the coaching staff must believe we can beat Mexico and reignite the dream. It's all about self-belief and mathematics. Yes, mathematics. 20 from 18.